Let's see if Tesla is still holding on, and we are going to take a look at the effect of the FOMC meeting today on the stock market, on the stock indices, gold, silver, Bitcoin, Ethereum. So Tesla closed at 466.51, up 96 cents, 0.21%. So where are we? So bullish channel is okay. We are in check. Smaller bullish channel within it is still in play. Congestion zone that gave us the buy signal yesterday. We are still outside of that congestion zone. So 452.91. This is all good. In terms of resistance, we have a bit of a hard time at 467.13. For 2 days, we have been going very close to breaking it. We did not close it. We did not break it. We just went right up to it. And that 460.67 is right where we had some problems also in December of last year. Exactly the same thing. So this is giving us some problems. Once we break 468.13, then the next stop is going to be 484.13. This is the all-time high of Tesla stock. So it's possible that we cave into that number also. After 484, we are clear to 500. So this is the path that we are on. In terms of indicators, everything is all good. Nothing to say about this. VIX is a little bit higher today still. So we have been rebounding just a little bit lower than 1595. We don't have stochastic over 60 yet, so we should not believe what is happening. If we take a look at the 1 hour chart, if we take a look at the 1 hour chart, the last candle looks a little bit better. The next to last candle went as high as 1750 approximately, and now with the last candle, we are cooling down. We had the FOMC meeting today, so the Federal Reserve interest rate decision was lowered at 4%. It was previously at 4.25%. The consensus was they were going to lower. It did not give us the big boost that we would have expected. But at least the interest rate is inching a little bit lower. Maybe we are going to get another cut before the end of the year, so that could only help. So how did the market react? Dow Jones, not the best day, 0.16, but volatile day. Went higher, went lower, and stabilized just a little bit lower. SPX, the same thing. No patterns have changed. We are still above our bullish channel resistance that is now becoming support. With some volatility, you see the wick that came down and pushed back up. QQQ doing better. Look at this volatility, but at least we are green. NASDAQ, lots of volatility. This is a hammer candle. A little bit of red and pretty much right smack on bullish channel resistance. We need to break this to continue a little bit higher. Let's take a look at gold and silver. Gold higher, but this is a red candle, no stochastics, so it's hard to believe that. Same thing with silver. We seem to be bouncing. We are bouncing a little bit, but in terms of indicators, we have nothing. Bitcoin is disappointing us again. We were back into this bullish channel support, and we broke it quite dramatically, came back for 2 days, and now we are continuing down. So it seems like we are on our way down to 106,437. So not a lot of force in Bitcoin. Also no stochastic and no good indicators. Ethereum, not as bad. Ethereum is at least holding support at 38.19. So we love that about Ethereum. It's still having some effect on BMNR. And speaking of Bitmain, we are supposed to get the earnings today. I don't see anything that looks like earnings. But what I find here is interesting. So Bitmain provided its latest holdings update for October 2027. So that's 2 days ago. 14.2 billion in total crypto and moonshots. 3,313 Ethereum at 4,164 per Ethereum, 192 Bitcoin, and 88 million stake in 8Co holdings. This is a moonshot. And unencumbered cash of 305 million. And if we look at the weekly buy, they are buying, except this week where they only bought 77,000, but they are buying like over 150,000 each week. And the BMNR is the second largest crypto treasury in the world behind MSTR. And if we look at their website, we see that Bitmain now owns 2.8% of ETH token supply, passing the halfway point as it moves towards the alchemy of 5%. And they say that Bitmain leads crypto treasury peers by both the velocity of raising crypto NAV per share and by the high trading liquidity of BMNR stock. Maybe something is going to come out eventually. TradingView shows it when there's earnings call results, and we don't see anything yet in TradingView. So maybe tomorrow. So yeah, Tesla, everything is all good. Our buy signal is still intact above 452.91. We just have to be patient a little bit. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We're going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.